What's going on, guys? It's Mickey SI here. I'm at my house. So today didn't go very well as planned. It is Thanksgiving. Um, this video won't be up on Thanksgiving. It'll probably be up either tomorrow or the next day. But I planned on introducing you guys to the SI, which is where the end of my name comes from, and it's my daily driver. It's a fun little car, but I had a bunch of plans for some shoots that I wanted to do with it, but I needed a tripod, and I had a tripod ordered, but it hasn't got here yet. So instead of doing that, I thought of maybe something fun we could do, because I'm having a lot of fun with doing YouTube and editing videos and uploading them and seeing how you guys react to them. So what I plan to do now is we're going to go Black Friday shopping. Obviously, it's Thursday night, so it probably won't be too crazy, but nowadays, Black Friday shopping uh, starts around 6 o'clock on Thanksgiving Day. So we're going to go to the mall, which is about 30 minutes away, and we're going to see what it's like. We're going to see the madness that is Black Friday shopping, and maybe we'll pick some stuff up. Maybe I can find a tripod while I'm at the mall. Maybe I can find something else. So this is going to be more of like a vlog style thing, which is not really what the channel's about. It's more about cars and stuff, but I'm having fun, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. Holy crap. This place is absolutely packed. I've never seen it this packed before in my life. It just took me 30 minutes to find a parking space on the back side of the mall. Holy crap. I don't know if I'm going to be able to film in there, but I'm going to try to catch some crazy moments and hopefully catch a deal. I don't know. We'll have to see. I don't really have a plan on what I'm going to go buy. I just have a plan on going to see the madness, and it's going to be crazy. We'll check in when we get inside, and hopefully something good happens. Like I expected, that place was a madhouse. Like I said, it took me half an hour to park, and then every store you went in was just packed to the brim. I didn't want to film because there's so many people in there, but I did find a cool pair of shoes. Unfortunately, they didn't have my size. What do you expect? But I got a shaker bottle and a Bang Energy from GNC, and then that's it. I'm gonna go to Best Buy now and see if I can't find like a tripod or something useful. That place is probably gonna be a madhouse too, but it's right across the street. Hopefully I can find something, and hopefully it's not just a night wasted. Yeah, we're gonna go to Best Buy now. Best Buy was the play. Alright, it wasn't that busy, surprisingly. Like, I thought it was going to be way more busy. I didn't really see a lot of deals, though, so I don't know what's going on there. But, yeah, Best Buy was definitely the place to go. Found a tripod, at least a little one, you know. I was still going to get the one that I ordered off of Amazon, because that came with a microphone and a light for, like, low light things. Sorry, it's shaky. I'm trying to get this thing out. So yeah, but I got this one for now, so hopefully it can do till I get the actual one that I was waiting on, which the one I was waiting on is kind of the same thing, but like I said, it comes with a light and an external mic, so hopefully that helps. I mean, it might be crap because it's from Amazon, but it might be good, so we'll see. But yeah, got this boy right here. It's a little tripod plus handle thing. Now, it doesn't say if it actually comes with the phone holder, and there's a bunch of phone holders around it, so I'm just kind of hoping it does. I'm not going to open it right now. I'm going to go home first, and then we'll open it. Probably get some food on the way home, but yeah, I'm hoping it comes with the phone holder, or else it's kind of waste of money. But we'll see when we get home, and yeah, so this video turned out to not be pointless, I guess you could say. Alright, we'll see you when I get home. So since this is a car channel, and we did a little bit of like vlogging stuff today, I figured we sprinkle a little bit of car in here, and we'll do a pull real quick. We're gonna drop down a second and see how she eats. Just a quick guys, I'm back home finally. So yeah, it was pretty successful little Black Friday shopping, I would say. Um, right now I'm gonna open up the tripod, see how it is. I'm gonna do a little unboxing for you guys. You guys are getting everything in this video: car stuff, vlogs, unboxings, everything. So let's get to opening this box up. Here we have it. It's called the Handypod by Joppy. I don't know. But I already broke the seal, so it's easy to open, so let's get into it. This is difficult. How do people do this? No, that's not working either. Okay. Yep. Struggle bus. There we go. Alright. Perfect. Alright, so here it is. It does come with the phone grip, so that's cool. Let's open this bad boy up. Alright. This is the tripod itself right here. Pretty nice. It's a good size. Flips out. Tripod. I mean, I think you can put it in like different arrangements, you know? So that works. And then I don't know what does this do? Oh. Wow, you can't even see that. I'm terrible at this. This button makes this ball move. Then you release the button, locked into place. And it looks like there's a little, hold on, spot for it. So you can have it like just flat like that. No other part of that has that. So I'm guessing that's for something special. Okay, now let's try to get this boy out. All right. So this is the phone mount. Not sure how this one works either. Okay, that opens up. And then it slides like this. Then lock it in. Ow! It pinched me. And then that's where it goes onto here. So, yeah, that's what we got. Alright guys, so that'll do it for today's video. I'm using the tripod right now. Tell me how you like it. Tell me if it makes the video worse or if it makes the video better. I know it's just going to be this short little clip, but kind of seems like it moves around a little bit more. I'm not too sure. But remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to tell me how you like this type of stuff, like the vlog style thing. If you like it, I'll do more. If you want more of the car stuff, I'll just stick to that. Just let me know. I'm having a lot of fun with doing YouTube and stuff, so your comments will greatly be appreciated because that's going to help me better the channel and get it to fit better to what you like, even though, you know, some people might like one thing, some people might like the other. So, like I said, make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you like what you see. Check out the other videos. And yeah, just have a great rest of your day. And that's it. Just like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.